Welcome to our Shopify tutorial series. Today I am going to show you how to add social media links to your Shopify store. First, log in your Shopify account and access your Shopify admin dashboard. If you have not already set up your Shopify store, make sure you do that first before proceeding. Once you are in the Shopify admin, look for the online store in the left hand menu and select the themes. Then click on the customize button for the theme you want to edit. Now on the left side you will see this theme settings button. Click here and go to down the social media tab. This is the social media tab. Click here and paste your social media link here. I just copy this link from here. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest. Okay, just add it here and click save. Now visit your Shopify store. You will see this all social media link appear in your Shopify store footer. Great, you have successfully added social media links to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling.